Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with cash on Doordash. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to click on Doordash application. Okay, so number one, how do you get Doordash? It's pretty simple. You can get Doordash either on Google Play Store, or you can get on Apple Store, or you can use the web application using any browser of your choice. Once you follow through with the on-screen prompts or processes to sign up and you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Doordash. Now you have a question here, right? How do you pay with cash on Doordash? Number one, is it possible, first things first, is it possible for you to pay with cash in the Doordash application? I'm sorry, no. No. Doordash has changed its user interface as at February 2024. I'm sorry, there's no direct option for you to change the delivery process or the delivery method to cash in Doordash. Alright, you could do that before. Once you get to the account settings in the top right corner, you can get that, but now that option is not available. There's another option that may seem quite interesting, which is the restaurant itself providing the option for you to pay with cash. Now let's say I have an order using NY Jumbo, so I want to place an order. So I'm using this tuna, I'm selecting this tuna fish, placing an order. So requires, I'm just going to choose anything, just anything. It's not like I like it, but just want to choose anything. So I'm just going to choose just that one, and just right below you're going to see the add to cart. So I'm just going to click on the add to cart, and it's going to take me to the next page. So I'm going to click on that view cart. So here we go. Now at the bottom, I'm just going to click on continue. And over here, I'm supposed to change my payment method or add my payment method, right? So I'm just going to click on that and add a payment method. Now from here, it's just add a payment method. If the restaurant allows for the cash option, it's going to be right here as part of this payment method. You're going to see cash, but right here you have any credit/debit card, you have PayPal, you have Cash App Pay, and there's no option for you to use cash. So you really cannot do that with this restaurant, and it applies to other restaurants, and not just a few or just a handful of restaurants actually provide option for you to pay with cash right here in the app. All right, so I'm just gonna go all the way back to this. Yeah, you have delivery, so I'm just going all the way back to show you another way. So another way is right here. Okay, so from here in this window at the top corner, you're definitely going to find this option that says delivery and pickup. Now you can choose pickup as your option. Yes, so pick up nearby, that means you're gonna have to go to the restaurant by yourself. All right, go to the restaurant by yourself, then pick this up, and once you pick it up at the restaurant, then you'll be able to pay cash. I think that works. Okay, so I think that works. So this is just pretty much the process, but how you can pay with cash. Can you pay with cash on the Doordash application as at 24th February? I'm sorry, you can't. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.